just checking out here. Vdara Executive Corner Suite, 16th floor, not the greatest of views, but a decent room nonetheless. It's treated us well. Little sitting area here. Little separate washroom there. Living area, your standard Vdara stuff. Big fridge, microwave, dishwasher, stove top there. This TV we didn't get working the whole while we were here with the TV channels, but we had a Fire Stick, so we watched everything on that anyway. Nice little view out this side here as well. Filthy windows. There's the area and the pool down below. And then off this way we have the bedroom. Big king size bed. Another television here, which we did use. And this bathroom. It's a great tub. Nice big bathroom, dual vanities. Toilet space there. The big walk-in shower. So all in all, yeah, it's a pretty good room. Like I said, the view could have been better, but you know, you win some, you lose some. That being said, this was our home for the last 5 nights. We got 1 more left. We're heading off to Luxor for tonight before we fly out tomorrow morning. Anyway, that's a quick little room tour of the Executive Corner Suite at Vdara.